Hello, welcome. CMS Manhattan series. Yeah, I would like to introduce my rack system and why you have to use this, or maybe you don't like this, but it depends on you. Just this is extension for my research regarding my model, JRAC GPT model, which designed based on uh, GDL, Java Deep Learning Library, and just I do research in this area in order to optimize my model because I don't want to spend big models to fire my money on hardware because it's some model very big and designed for many other purposes, but I need to concentrate my business on particular um, um, issues or particular tasks to resolve some particular issues in my business logic. And then I would like to make my own uh, LLM model and my own tokenizer and my own vocabulary based on my data set, which correspond to a particular subject like e-commerce or maybe health or maybe something else, maybe e-commerce or maybe spam recognition, fraud recognition, something like this. But you don't have this opportunity if you use existing model because nobody give you opportunity to change your vocabulary or tokenizer on existing model. You don't have opportunity to change dim size, I mean embedding size, but some models supply with many different size of embedding. But if you use your model, it can be more flexible, and you can also play with transformer blocks and to improve the number of transformer blocks to improve machine learning and text recognition. You can use with multi-head attention layer to add more more heads, self-attention layers to recognize your text better. And you can play with many other things to improve your model. If you use existing model, you don't have those options. Yeah, but let's back to our rack system, and I will show advantage of the rack system, why you have to use that. Let's move to deployment script. You can deploy this rack system. This RAG system include a lot of services, for example, discovery service, in order to manage instances of your LLM, which already optimize it with ONNX runtime. It's absolutely different things. It's not a Llama, it's not Python. It's a model which optimizes it using an ONNX runtime, running in on ONNX runtime, which give you better performance and other things to optimize your RAG system and your agentic AI. This is a vector database which contains embeddings and dataset. Next, we have a RAG system which allow to edit prompt. This is key features in my RAG system. You can online edit prompt. For example, if you in a classic way, you have to do fine-tuning for your LLM. You will spend much time for machine learning, and again, if something not working, you find bug, you have to do this again. It's a lot of money. But here is a very simple way. You load your data set in rack system and modify your prompt, which will save much money for your company, improve performance using runtime, ONNX runtime optimization for your models, and also your model will be custom and you will tune for particular things and more. Here, this is, as I mentioned before, my JRAC model, which worked on ONNX runtime and optimize it for ONNX runtime. You can manage your temperature and top key over here, and you can use Eureka client, your discovery service, if you would like to connect your LLM to discovery service Eureka, and also do your load balancing for your LLMs, right? It's pretty cool. Yeah. And next you have a chatbot which you can interact with your rack system. And next you have a IP gateway where you can define your routes to your rack system and your LLMs to scale your LLMs on any cloud. Okay, that's it. Just do this quick. Take Git clone and download those scripts. Script designed for JRack base. You can use Alama instruct. You can use T5 if you would like to do. You have many options. Let's go. You can see what we have right now. I already deployed this. You can see I have an ARG system, my LLM, data database, chatbot, and IP gateway and discovery service. I will not tell about too much about other components. I will go dive in rack system. Okay, what we have. Let's go to website. Not website. Okay, you can see here. This is how I use my RG system online. Yeah. As I mentioned before, if I write something, for example, I please contact info. System will go convert this query to embedding and use embedding search in vector database. You can see system found this information in vector database and send this information to my LLM to reply. How it works. You can add your many question and answer to form your data set. And also avoids fine-tuning and expensive machine learning activity. Now let's go. I can show how the system works. Yeah. Let's go. We can see here model available models. And don't forget to switch port like this. Yeah, and also interact with your system. If you use online on your site, you have to replace this for your site URL. Go here already. When you install, you have the file model, pre-train it and load it. You can just click get model list, which is available here. Yeah, you will see here embedding model, which already installed during installation. You can go here and you can see model which you already installed here. You can see embeddings and text and embeddings here. Structure is usually common. When my question go in my rack system, it automatically converted to embedding. Embedding will use to search in this database. Use semantic search to find similar answer, similar context, and will find few context and reply to LLM. So LLM will select correct context. Of course, LLM should be trained and to find particular context, but it should not very big LLM to fire a lot of money using hardware, expensive hardware. You have to select. You have to find better one for your system. Of course, this should be your system. Your LLM should be optimized. For example, quantization to reduce size of your weights and type of weights. For example, you can optimize your weights and use int 8 or int 4 size to keep your weights different types. Reduce size of your weights also will improve performance. Yeah, but we use other options also to improve performance, such as play with model architecture and also optimization with ONNX runtime. Okay, let's go. What feature, what good feature of my system? You can edit your dataset over here online. You can, for example, add your add your new new prompt. Super. Okay, just you have to define, for example, like your prompt ID to delete operate with your prompt, manage your prompt. Yeah, but not exactly. I have other options to use different way. Okay, we'll check. Okay, return one. It means this prompt was added. Over here we can do refresh. Here you can see super was added with embeddings. That is cool feature. You can add your new you can add new items in your dataset and manage that. If you don't like this, you can remove this by prompt ID. Also, sorry. Yeah, you can once again 1, 2, 3, 4. All one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this looks like if you see 1, it means true. Your system request will work fine. I don't see. Okay, we removed one prompt. Now you can manage your dataset without fine-tuning machine learning online, and system will reply to you with correct answer. That many companies I think like to reduce cost of your machine learning. Okay, I see you in my new series. You will enjoy my series to save a lot of money in your corporation. Thank you very much. Follow my video.